The US views China as a strategic competitor, but in this global pandemic, aren't we all on the same team fighting the one common enemy, the COVID-19? As a citizen of Hong Kong, China, I have seen the benefit of support and help from my motherland, from providing PPE kit, sharing information on how to combat the virus, to showing us how to maximize our testing capacity, and even build us temporary hospitals. In fact, when it comes to benefiting humanity during the pandemic, China has provided more than 350 million doses of vaccine to the international community, including 23 million doses donated to over 80 countries, mostly developing countries. Besides going through bilateral channels, China always seeks multilateral cooperation in fighting the pandemic. Good example like China has committed to donate vaccine to the UN peacekeepers and the International Olympic Committee. But there's only so much one country can do. The world has to join hands to win this global battle. So instead of making everything political, I think it is time for the leader in the West to step up and join the leader in the East to help the rest of the world to get much needed vaccine. Rich and poor nations, allies and competitors, no matter what their cultural or ethnic background may be. After all, this is science, not politics. Thank you.